During this 2 days, we have 2 events very important. We are very happy that we can join the event at the university, especially in Phnom Penh, Panyachit University. We have 600 students who attend the event, and it is a very big event that we have never made before. Also, we are very impressed with the school director, that he is captured a very important point, that he invited the student to listen very carefully to the speaker, because the speaker is very professional and from the international country, and he really want to share his experience how to be success in a young age. So the school director is very strongly recommend to the student to spend their time to be careful, listen and take note, and capture all the important points from our speaker. So I'm very happy, and including the team, especially Mr. CEO, our CEO, Mr. Walter Yu, and Mr. Singh. He is very happy to share all the important topics, including the health and also the success story of Mr. Singh, and also including the network marketing, what's important of the network marketing and how to start it. So, and also the same days, different. Like today, we also have another event at the Battambang Bong province. We have around 200 students who attend the event, and it was very surprised me that all the students are very understand the network marketing. So just after we finish the event, the students have many questions, and they just join the company right away. So I hope in the future we can have this opportunity to share our experience to other students in the country.